Hello friends, today's word is oral mucosa. Oral mucosa. Oral mucosa is also called as oral mucous membrane. The term mucous membrane is used to describe the moist lining of the gastrointestinal tract, nasal passages, and other body cavities that communicate with the exterior. In the oral cavity, this lining is referred to as the oral mucous membrane or oral mucosa. Thus, the oral mucosa is located anatomically between skin and gastrointestinal mucosa and shows some of the properties of each. The oral mucosa serves several functions. The major one is protection of the deeper tissues of the oral cavity. Others include acting as a sensory organ and serving as the site of glandular activity and secretion. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep learning.